Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We started off Friday with quite a bit of cloud over the easternmost areas of KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. But the cloud here is going to go away as the day progresses. We also have quite a bit of fog along the west coast and the adjacent interior. Now later on this afternoon we should see isolated thundershowers extending from the northwest and Gauteng through the Free State down into the interior of the Eastern Cape and maybe spilling into western KwaZulu-Natal. In the evening we should see quite a lot of rain-bearing clouds creeping onto the south coast where we could see light rain and drizzle in places. Now this Friday you can expect up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms where you see the light shades of blue across much of the interior. We have a warning in place for high fire danger for your Friday across much of the Northern Cape and the northern areas of the Western Cape. So you will need to be very careful around any open fires if you are in those parts of the country. We are going to see isolated thundershowers this afternoon for parts of the northwest and the Gauteng province where most areas will see temperatures reaching the lower to mid 30s. It's going to be mostly sunny and hot for much of the Limpopo and Mpumalanga provinces. Isolated thundershowers are also forecast across the Free State, pushing down into the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be pretty hot for the Eastern Cape with highs in the mid to upper 30s. Mostly sunny and hot weather is forecast in KwaZulu-Natal. Mostly sunny skies are also expected along much of the east coast where highs in the upper 20s and lower 30s are forecast in most areas, and we're expecting fresh winds for these parts of South Africa. It's going to be mostly sunny and sizzling hot for much of the Western Cape, but we could see isolated thundershowers around Somerset East late this afternoon. Mostly sunny skies are forecast along the south coast where temperatures in the mid to upper 20s are forecast in most areas. It's going to stay sizzling hot for Upington and Priska with highs in the lower 40s. Cooler as we go towards Kimberley and Colesberg where isolated thundershowers are possible this afternoon. Cape Town is going to be partly cloudy, warming to around 28 degrees, and we're expecting light to moderate southeasterlies around the mother city. Here's looking ahead to your Saturday. Thundershowers are expected from the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, extending into Gauteng and also extending into the interior of the Eastern Cape. Light rain is forecast for Port Elizabeth. Cape Town is going to be partly cloudy, warming to 26 degrees.